Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. 3 hectares at 250 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Kamambugan, Ubay, Bohol. All are flat terrain and it has fruit trees na ay mga prutas planted by fruit trees like papaya, siniguelas, jackfruit, and the one is famous, the dragon fruit. So, mo ni siya guys. Then it has also a house. The house has electricity. And right now, it was not already occupied by the owner because the owner is already old, very old. So, tiguang ng tag-iya guys. And then, children also are working abroad. So, mana. The decision is to sell the property. It has all perimeter fence. Then there are also mango trees on the property. Daghan siya og manggahan. So this is the papaya. Mao ni mga kapayas, guys. Papaya man ni in terms. So negotiation is on when you are already in final decision yun nga paliton kay seller will not really accept just this is their offer 250 pesos per square meter, then approximately 1 kilometer more or less from the Ubay airport. So naay airport sa Ubay guys nga wala pa gyud magamit or wala pa gi-utilize although it is already existing. So mo na siya guys. Then you can see that deep well. So naitabay. So there's no problem. So this is the dragon fruit. Nindot baya unta kaayo no. Matiman lang ning dragon fruit ani guys. Mas nindot yun. Although wa na gyud matiman. And it has also a private road going to the property. So mao na mga detalye guys. So pero from the highway going to the site, we need not to bring automobile. Although if we can bring a pick-up car, much better kay dili pa gyud maayo ang karsada guys. Not good road, rough road only. But soon to be concrete according to my guide. Pwede ra masiminto na daw na pohon. Pero takibaw kanus basta simintohon yun na mga siya guys. So it's a government, you know. Ana man na gobyerno. Pero nasugda na bayag siminto, pagpadayo na lang. So mana siya guys. So this is the dragon fruit trees. So pila may maabot aning kuan? 250 niya 3 hectares no. Dako sad. Times 30,000. So 7.5 million pesos. Kung nakakay 7.5 million pesos guys. So yakining jackfruit ko ani guys kanang gikan daw ni sa Leyte. Nindot kani mga tamis. Super tamis ni siya. Nga jackfruit. So actually honestly kung imo gyud ning tarungon no. Nindot yun siya. Farming, poultry, piggery. So Very nice yun. Unta ang property kung maato lang ma-operate o klaro. Mana kay nag-edad naman si sir, so mana nga surrender na lang ni. Ilan na lang ning ibaligya. So, muna siya guys. By the way guys, the Ubay, Bohol is a first-class municipality of Bohol Province. It has 45 barangays, 45 ka barangay. Then, Ubay is around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. What I mean 2 hours if bihar sakyan kanang van bitaw, kanang pasayroan nga van, kusog mo na mo dagan na lang tag 80. So mo na siyang tag 2 hours ra gid kasagaran from Ubay to kuan Tagbilaran. Pero kung ari ka sa truck or bus, tag 3 hours gyud na kasagaran. 3 hours or 3 hours and a half. Depende sa driver or sa pasahero. Ano siya guys. Then, gusto ka maligog dagat, although there are beaches in Ubay, in Sinandigan, or if you want white sand beaches, you go to Anda, which is around 45 minutes or less. 30 to 45 minutes drive from Ubay. So, mana gilayon. Or ibutang talag 1 hour. Pinakalayo. Depende yapon sa dagan. Nalakta na ang kuan guys. Ang papaya. So, grabe. Sayang nga. So, kung naay makapalit ani, nindot yun eh. Kay, dagko kayong papaya. Kanindot yun unta. So, very nice property. Yeah. Panglao to Ubay is just like that, 2 to 3 hours drive. Panglao International Airport. Then, Ubay has also a seaport going to Cebu and going to Leyte. Then, Ubay is a connecting route from Manila, Samar, to Ubay, Bohol, because there is already a bus from Bohol, round Bohol to Manila. Naay bus diri guys, tag 3 days lang biyahe paingon sa Manila. 2 to 3 days man siguro to ni. Connecting na dito sa pier sa Ubay, going to Leyte in Samar. Ano siya guys. And this is the property. Mao gini siya ang property. So, all you have to do is to improve and clean up all the grasses in the property. So, mao na siya guys. Magseryoso na ta ha, kay mao na gyud ni. So, okay. Then, it has all perimeter fence. Agi say fence. Ang atong property nga gi for sale. So, actually, this is as for me, reasonable price kay kung adto ka sa airport dool, na may tag 5,000 ang per square meter dito. Dire is just only 250 pesos per square meter. Okay? And this is the road going to the property. Ato lang ipakita ang concrete road nga ang paingon dito sa property guys, mahimo rough road pa. Then this is the perimeter fence of the airport in Ubay. Ana siya guys. So nindot kayo no. Then Ubay has also a community college na po eskwelahan diha guys. Eskwelahan sa Kaluhiyo. Yan na diha ang fire station. So naapod ang district jail sa Ubay. Naapod diha. mga pinireso na diya gibutang dinhi dapita. So meaning these are all going to urban area. So dool siya sa mga urban area na itong property. So muna siya guys. So, nindot kayo. Nindot magitanan. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land title, condominium title, and license to sell. Katong nag-subdivision guys nga wa pay license to sell, pwede ta mo process. Then beware sa mga nag-subdivide og mga property nga no license to sell or subdivide gani sa mga managsuon or mga heirs, okay lang na. Pero kung nag-subdivision siya, they need to have a license to sell, permit from the municipal, certificate of registration. So, kinahanglan yun na sila guys, kumpletohon yun na nila. Nya, kung mupalit ka na, possible, di pa na madayon, kay kinahanglan pagyudaan ng mga permita. So, careful ta tanan. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye!